welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1981 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. Of course, you know, lately we just had a red and white Chevy Silverado truck come in, so if you like these old trucks, this would be the perfect color combination, red, white, and blue. Show that American pride nice and hard. Other than that, going into the one we have here featuring the blue exterior. As you do see, it has the big chrome torque thrust wheels on it, made by American Racing. Does have that nice 2-inch cowl induction hood to give it more of a mean suppressed look. As you see, we do have, I want to say, a 6-foot-inch bed, good enough to fit a good appliance in there, not too big, not too small. It also looks like they did a little Rhino X work in the bed, so you never have to worry about scratching the bed or destroying the bed. Other than that, moving on to the interior now, as you can see, we have that nice aftermarket black 3-spoke wheel, automatic on the column. Do have your stock gauges there, along with some added gauges on the bottom. As you can see, the temperature gauge is starting to climb up. Other than that, we got our old school Kenwood audio system with CD. Yet again, who really listens to CD anymore? Other than that, you got the nice, it looks like it has been redone, single bench seat with leather material. Also, the dash has been really done nice up. You see there's no tears, no real, I want to say, cracks. Of course, due to the heat, especially down here in Florida, you are going to see that. Going underneath the hood, you can see that small block with the chrome valve covers, headers. Really nice design how they have put it together. Runs very strong. In fact, it does produce a good sound out the back, as you can hear right now. Going about 50 miles an hour. And the best part about this truck is it still has the factory AC connected, which is very nice. A lot of times they molested them and put the vintage air kits in them, which really, although do work nice, but you have to mess with the wiring. It's always good to keep it original. But other than that, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the hoist, so just stay tuned to see the underneath.